Yeah, this is Ted with Quality Home Inspections. Found something interesting today on a property we're doing down here in Dover. Just wanted to give you a quick review of why we're going to ask for certain things. In this case, it's plumbing issues. So I'm going to turn this camera around and I'm going to point it out. So I'm in this bathroom here, and as you can see, we have a double trap. So I've got one here and then I've got one down there. Basically, when you have a double trap like that, that will cause drainage issues unless you can add a secondary vent system. So it would be like an AAV valve. So what I'm going to have to do is recommend that a plumber come in, remove the drainage system that's here and replace it with the proper system. In addition, there's a couple other things under this sink that I have to ask for as well. So the two shuttle valves, I got the hot and the cold there. They aren't working at all. They're actually sealed in the open position. So God forbid there's a leak, there's no way to turn the water off other than running all the way down to the main. You can even replace the faucet on the sink without turning off the main. So we're going to recommend that those two valves get replaced. In addition, there is some galvanized pipe way back there. Galvanized on its own is known to cause drainage issues because it corrodes from the inside. So we're going to have to also recommend that line be evaluated to make sure that there's no blockage in there. So, just under this sink, I think I've been here 10 minutes. Got to the bathroom, found all this, and did one bedroom. But I just wanted to come back and shoot this video real quick before I kept going on with my day. So, again, I just like to point out why we ask for some of the things we do. Hope that made sense with that whole drainage issue or situation. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out, 302-893-1364. You can catch it on the internet, inspectdelaware.com. Thanks for watching.